Alright, I have a Phantom 4 and I've been really happy with it, but one thing I'm not happy with is artifacts when I pan the gimbal up and down. As you can see here, the artifacts are just brutal, and I wasn't really sure if it was a hardware problem or if it was a software problem. So I searched Google and there was a result on the Phantom forum saying that this is actually a setting called 3D noise reduction. So I tried doing some tests with 3D noise reduction turned on and off. It looks like it's something that takes noise out of the picture when you're shooting in low light, but in daylight, it just seems to mess things up. Here it is with the reduction disabled. As you can see, it's a totally different experience. It looks smooth, not grainy at all. So I haven't tried this in low light yet, so I don't know what difference it's going to make in low light. But in pure sunlight, I think this is a setting you're probably going to want to turn off.